If you are thinking about buying a home in Grass Valley, California, and you want to be centrally located to downtown Grass Valley, which is only 10 minutes from here, and centrally located to Auburn, Sacramento, and Lake Tahoe if you like to ski, and you want a charming home on an acre of land with beautiful trees, this might be the home for you. I'm going to give you a full tour of this home, and then at the end of this video I'm going to show you a bunch of footage of downtown Grass Valley in case you're not familiar with the area. So let's go check it out. Before we go inside, I just want to point out this home has a horseshoe shaped driveway, which I love because it's easy to come in and out from either direction. So you've got the driveway here, and it goes all the way around over there, which just makes super easy access. There's also a gate right here, which I'll show you from the other side in the video, but you can go inside there if you wanted to park a car on the other side of the gate. Look at this porch. It is just so sweet and charming. I absolutely love it. Even though most of the land is in the backyard, which is actually great because all your privacy is in the back off the road. This is not a super busy road, and this is an adorable porch. So if you did want to put some chairs out here and sit out here with these beautiful flowers, there's two pretty mature camellia trees here. It's just really lovely. Before we go inside, I just want to introduce myself really quickly. My name is Cheyenne, and if you're thinking about buying a home in Nevada County, California, and you want to know everything about Grass Valley, Nevada City, and Penn Valley, you're in the right place. All my videos cover all of those topics and more. Whether you're moving in 3 weeks or 3 months, all of my contact info is below, and my partner and I would love to help you. Welcome to 16193 Rattlesnake Road. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, 1,550 square feet. Open concept floor plan. The bedrooms and bathrooms are down that way, but let's start in the living room. There's a beautiful pellet stove, windows looking out at the backyard, beautiful wood and glass door here going out to the wraparound deck. You have your dining room here, kitchen. Right here is the laundry room, which also goes out to the garage. So in here, you've got this great laundry room and a 2-car garage in here. And yes, you did see a kitty cat down here. If you're interested in this home, call me and I will tell you the story of this super sweet kitty. Hi, sweetie. Who wouldn't love that kitty? So even though this kitchen is not remodeled yet, I love the floor plan of it. I love that it's open to the living room and the pellet stove and the views of the yard. And then I love the sink here in the corner. It looks out onto the front porch and the trees out on Rattlesnake Road. It's just a really lovely, sweet kitchen where you can make waffles for your family. And your family and friends can sit at the island here. If you put some bar stools right here, you can cook your waffles and be chatting with your family and friends while you're cooking. So let's go down the hall and see the bedrooms and the bathrooms. On the opposite side of the entryway is a coat closet, and then there's more storage here with shelves. So lots of storage. The first guest bathroom is here on the right, and it's a full bathroom with a bath. And then across the hall is the first bedroom here. Both the 2 bedrooms that are not the primary have these beautiful bay windows, and the other one is right on the other side of this one. And at the end of the hall is this second bedroom with the same beautiful windows. And then let's go see the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is much larger than the other 2 bedrooms. It has closets on this side. And if you put your bed here, you would be looking out into these beautiful trees in the backyard. There's also this beautiful door here going out to the back deck, so you can get to the deck from your bedroom and step outside, and oh my goodness, what peace and serenity here. It's so beautiful. This deck goes all the way down to the other side of the house and wraps around to that door going off the living room that we saw, the full glass door there. And let's go back into the primary to see the bathroom. It's a really nice sized bathroom. You've got this beautiful arched window here, a soaking tub. This window is looking out to the backyard and all the beautiful trees. So very lovely, very peaceful, very serene, a beautiful place to wake up and look out at this heavenly view. I'm standing out here on the back deck. I just want to show you how beautiful the views are. It's like your own little mini forest park setting. The birds are chirping, and it's just so lovely. And there's our little kitty friend. I just wanted to walk down this backyard a little bit and just show you how beautiful it is. I really like being on the deck because you feel like you're up in the trees. But there is some dappled sun here, so you probably could put some raised beds out here as well, even though there's a lot of shade, which is lovely for the summer when it's hot here in Grass Valley. But you could also put some raised beds and probably grow some vegetables here as well. And then even though most of it goes that way, it does wrap around this way to this side yard, and there is a gate there, so if you wanted to put a vehicle back here, you certainly could if you wanted to park something on this side of the fence as well. So as I said, Grass Valley is only 10 minutes from this home, and I'm going to show you some footage of downtown Grass Valley in case you're not fully familiar with it. Downtown is absolutely adorable, and I really enjoyed showing you this beautiful, charming home, and if it interests you, definitely give me a call. My number is in the comments below. And enjoy this little tour of downtown Grass Valley.